Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for the beautiful Soma, Laishram and the entire models here. You look very beautiful and confident in your attire. Would you like to say something about this attire you're wearing?
Kurumjari. Good evening, everyone. Firstly, a big round of applause for the amazing designer of tonight from Assam, Moshmi Bora and Deeplu Hazarika. I would like to thank the Northeast Student Festival for having me today. And today, as we celebrate the cultural heritage of Northeast, unfortunately, I can only partake this celebration in spirit. As everyone must be aware, my motherland, my homeland, Manipur, is still burning for the past 4 months. And people being shot, people dying, house being burned down. Internet banned for 4 months, national media turning a blind eye on us, and also our mother are still sleeping on the street to protect our land. I'm off words now, describing the horror facing in Manipur for the past 4 months. Today, I would like to take the opportunity to raise my voice to all my brothers and sisters of Northeast and also to all my fellow Indians to speak up against the violence happening in Manipur for the past 4 months. Thank you. As the people die and wounds still fresh, I would like everyone to raise your voice together to support Manipur for fighting for peace. Thank you everyone once again. Kurumjari. Leitrabi.
भारत मणिपुर के साथ है और हम माय होम इंडिया के मंच से सभी से अपील करते हैं कि शांति बनाने में हम सब लोग साथ दें। सरकार जो काम कर रही है उसका हम साथ दें। मणिपुर में जो लोग आहत हुए हैं, those who died in unfortunate riots for last 4 months, I request everyone present in this hall to stand for 1 minute. Stand silent.
Put on my makeup, ready to dress up.